Hi, thanks for watching this video series. This is a collection of videos showcasing how I made this workshop. This is not a how to build anything, but rather how I built this particular workshop. I'm not a professional, I made a lot of mistakes, and I didn't do everything as safely as I probably should have. If you're looking to do something like this yourself, I encourage you to try it, but please only do so at your own risk. If you like this video, please take a look at all the videos I have for this project. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Gonna start laying block. This is not a video on how to lay block. I am definitely not an expert at it, but you know, this is just me doing it. So got all my block laid out, got my mixer ready to go, and basically it's just time to start laying it out, get my strings tightened up and set up, and try to fix my lines so they're actually, you know, lined up, and I'll start laying out the block. Okay, a couple of things. Number one, I am definitely not a professional, so don't watch this video to learn how to lay block. This is just an amateur doing it, and that's that. Another thing I learned, well, you can take your time if the temperature and humidity are good. And you should wear the proper footwear because, I don't know if this will show up or not, but I thought I'd wear flip-flops. But yeah, they're a bit sweaty. Well, I'm a bit sweaty, and they're sliding all over the place, so not the safest. So I'm gonna go change into some regular shoes. I take a 5-minute break, and then I'll mix up another bag and keep going. I'm not gonna tape all this because really, if you want to see how to lay block the right way, I'll link some videos below. I put in a horizontal piece of rebar all the way around. So what I did was I actually cut out little pieces and chipped them out with a hammer. Cracked one block, but I'm not taking it out. I know this is not perfect. You can see the wall kind of shimmies a little bit. I'm gonna try to straighten that as we go. But I was able to take my guides down off to the side. And now I'm going to start working with just building up the corners and running strings from end to end, and just every 3 courses I'll have a horizontal run. I know this one's after 2 courses, but there's actually 4 courses underground as part of the footer. I don't know if you can see down there, but after 3 courses there is a horizontal beam there, horizontal piece of rebar. Okay, so just got to get through those. So, and I'm trying to do this kind of a heat wave right now, so I'm slowing down a little bit, but we'll see how it looks. I'll do 3 more. I'll bring it back after we're up to 5 courses, and I'm putting my next horizontal in. Okay, this is 6 courses high. This will be a 7th course, I believe. 7th course, and then the 8th course is another horizontal. So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually putting a 6th course up, and then when I go to put the I'm putting the 7th course up. When I go to put the 8th course up, I'll actually pre-notch them before I put them up. Getting kind of high, so I made a bit of scaffolding, kind of. Hopefully it's sturdy enough, and don't mind the slight unevenness of the walls. Not a professional, so, but it is starting to look like a real, you know, actual building, which is kind of cool. Did get some rain, so I'm now capturing water, so I'm gonna have to set up a shop vac and set it up to suction that all out. I'll do that a little bit later on. I'm gonna get this next course up before the sun really starts beating down and it gets too hot to do any work. Those blocks get really heavy real quick. So the next step is going to be putting a stucco style siding application on the side of the building. So I'm going to show you how I do it. This isn't necessarily the right way to do it, it's just how I've been doing it. You hear my critics in the background there. But basically what I do is I just make some kind of wet, a little bit wet and not too thick, but kind of sloppy mortar mix. I just slather it on and I hit it with a sponge and just kind of press it in place, and then I kind of knock down the tops. So I'll do that now, show you what that looks like. Here's about how sticky and nasty it gets. But yeah, this isn't, like I said, this isn't the right way to do it. This is just the way that I've been doing it. You can see how it comes out kind of down the bottom. I had a little bit of extra when I was doing that other side, and I just wanted to throw some on there and see how it looks in the light. So here's what I've been doing. A lot of what I'm putting up is falling off, but the mortar mix that I'm using is a little bit old and it got kind of clumpy. So I'm just kind of using this last batch up. Whatever falls, it's okay. I'm going to be covering it with dirt at the base anyway. My goal is not to make it perfect. If anything, that's the opposite of what I'm looking to do. I'm looking to just kind of keep the eyes away from too many of the lines, so it looks like more of a kind of a random design on it. So that's pretty much it. This isn't the right way to do it, and you can do like just a real parge coat or stucco that's like nice and flat all the way across. My skill set's not up to that, so you know, this is just how I'm doing it. Once this is done and dried, I will go through and paint everything, and it should give it a nice look, something a little better than just block. Okay, so this is everything stuccoed up. This is what it looks like pre-painted, and this is what it looks like painted. Now I just have to go around and paint it all, and that'll pretty much be the exterior, well, except for the doors and the roof, but the walls will be done on the outside at least. Building these walls took so long, but I'm really glad that I did this myself. I did learn a lot, and I know that I'll have a nice, sturdy, strong building when I'm done with it. So thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and check out the other videos in this series.